Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm Saita. Today I'll be showing you days 65, 66 of study vlogs. 65 will be orthopedics and 66 will be radiology. So as of what I have planned, and Wednesday and Thursday I'm going to take a break, and that is because of my cousin's wedding. I'll be going to another place. I'm so excited for that. I have to be right today, but you know, exam is just 3 months and I sacrifice that part of me wanting to go spend time where every cousin of mine is having fun. I couldn't, but it's okay. Even if this makes it to the last, I will be very happy. This result is so important. The process, the journey is important. So I don't want to take a single chance of wasting this. So as it is just so nearer, I took a thing like, okay, I'll just go for the wedding and come back. So yeah, but still I'm wasting 2 days. So I'm going to waste 2 days. So only for today and tomorrow you'll be seeing the study vlogs and 2 subjects. Today ortho, tomorrow radiology. So after coming from the vacation, I'll be starting with gynecology, the final big subject I have left out. And after that, forensic medicine. So just we are left with another 2 more subjects to complete from the BTR. So I completed in the first reading, but BTR I didn't complete. So a lot of people have asked me how I'm concising the BTR, when did I start, how long did it take for you to complete and all. I'll say you in the next vlog probably, but I think in the gynecology I may not be there to talk a lot, but this vlog is kind of short and sweet. So I'll tell you guys now. It's that BTR I have started on December 9th. December 8th, 7th I have completed my first reading, and December 9th I started with the BTR. I am a post-intern 2K18 batch. I went to the Bhatia coaching, offline coaching, which took around 5.5 months till August 11th. After exam result, I was like, oh, I think this is not the way you study. Obviously, I didn't even give my 20% of effort in the NEET PG 2024. I regret, but that literally made me change into a better version of myself in studying. And after seeing the marks and the result, I decided, yeah, I need to do better. I think I didn't know how to start studying. I didn't know with what I have to start studying. I haven't followed any med influencers as well because I didn't know back then. I was so more into my skincare page, but I couldn't, see all this. I didn't know. Even I didn't talk to my seniors about it and all. So, but then I decided, okay, this is how we have to do. I slowly understood, like, we have to be on track. Like, you have to study every day. And even my friends were very good. They performed very good in the exam last time, but I didn't do it. But it's okay. And I think that self-sabotage has been carrying on for a month or so. Then Bhatia have released a schedule of revision schedule, like reading schedule, like concise your subject like this for the first reading. And that is when I started with the first reading of all the subjects. So I started on August 24th, and in between, in the October mid to November first week, almost 20-25 days, I had a severe migraine, very severe migraine. I have this spondylitis or cervical spondylitis, which was very severe. I had to take a lot of NSAIDs and still the pain didn't subside. So I couldn't make it to a better first reading, but after that I did carry on even for a month. So they gave us only till November 10th, but I did study till December 7th. So 1 month extra I took. So after that I started with BTR on December 9th with first integrated systems, that is medicine, patho, pharma, physiology. And you can see it in my vlogs from there. It's what I did in the BTR. So BTR is not just my only source, as I'm already saying you. Honestly, I would say if you have a first source, you have your own source, you're doing it, you're preparing that, you're okay with that, and now you're starting with BTR. That is how I started with BTR. This is my second source. That is my first, this is my second. And integrating this BTR with the first source is what most important thing in understanding the concepts, in remembering the concepts. Whenever you get a bit, your mind will directly go and direct to the BTR. Honestly, I'm telling you that, because BTR is very concise and you can immediately get in your brain that, oh, I have read this somewhere, and you can visualize what you did in the BTR. So that is the reason I liked BTR for. So for an entire opinion on this, I think I need my NEET PG 2025 to get done. I can't wait for us all to win, guys. I really want us all to win. The anxiety, the depression, every negative thought is so badly rooted up in our mind, in our hearts. I know that, but even if you're just like me who couldn't make it in the zero attempt in the 2024, we took it light. I get you, because we wanted it, like we didn't study, we had our very good things in internship and we gave it up, but it's okay. So let's not lose hope. I really wish this time we'll get. Even if we won't get, I think the spirit should not get down. It's so easy to say, but yeah, fine. So if you're new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now I'll show you guys what I'm doing in the orthopedic session. It's day 65 and I started with orthopedics. Already I started, Sunday is yesterday. I took a break, but I started orthopedics yesterday. Just I've seen half an hour video and I'm so sleepy, so I didn't want to continue it either. So today I started again with orthopedics, and it's a 3 hours long class. I completed almost, but I have to still finish a lot of the video, and after that I'll just go revise orthopedics today. So today is completely for ortho class, orthopedics revision and doing orthopedics bits. Tomorrow I'll be starting with radiology and orthopedics and radiology. I haven't listened to any offline class, so I'm thinking to just follow BTR. If I'm able to solve the bits, okay. If I'm not able to do the bits, in the coming next sessions of revision I'll be seeing, as well as in other faculties sessions. So tomorrow is a radiology, and on Wednesday and Thursday I'm going to take a break. I'll not be in the town and I'll not be able to read anything. So Wednesday, Thursday will be free day to me, which should not impact me more, but yeah, it's a free day. So these two you'll be seeing it on Wednesday morning. So it marks the completion of orthopedics, and I really liked the session because as I didn't listen offline class, and even after that in the first reading I have I self-read every word of ortho, which I didn't like because I didn't understand. But BTR ortho is quite bit better because I could understand the concept, and no more it is a no more by heart. So it's like a very concept is very nice. I like the ortho BTR, and we are done with orthopedics. Now I'll be rushing off to the gym, and after coming from the gym we'll revise this orthopedics class and do a few bits. Day 66, I have to start with radiology, but yesterday orthopedics I couldn't complete entire thing, but I just completed orthopedics at 3 o'clock today, and I have to go to the gym. I'm taking a break, and after coming from the gym I'll start with radiology class. I don't think I will be able to complete the entire radiology class, but somehow I'll try to make it up. So I'm just not sure about it. And in the meantime, let me tell you guys that I went to the gym yesterday, and there is a salon just right beside my gym, and my bangs are outgrown and I had to cut it down. And this is how he cut my hair. Honestly, I don't know how it's looking to you guys, but I'm just like a Korean, Chinese, Japanese, everything మిక్సీ చేసి బయటికి తీస్తే ఒక జోకర్ ఎట్లుంటుంది అట్లుందనమాట. సో దట్ ఈస్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్. టుమారో ఐ హ్యావ్ అన్ ఈవెంట్. ఐ హ్యావ్ మై కజిన్స్ వెడ్డింగ్, and I'm so scared how this would look on that outfit because that's a very beautiful lehenga, and this is how I am. That is the reason why my mood is spoiled so much today. But okay, it's okay. Sometimes everything I do will definitely reflect on my hair. I don't know, I think girls can relate to this, but it's okay guys. Fine. So I'll start with radiology, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to complete it or not because mine is an early morning flight, so I'll be sleeping early today. So let's just see guys. Got my flight and forgot to say you guys that I didn't start with radiology. As I told you in introduction, I'm going to start with radiology yesterday, but I didn't. I revised ortho and did few bits. So radiology is going to be on days 67 and 68. So only orthopedics 2 days.